Penalty kicks are one of the most exciting parts of soccer. Let's take a look at the dimensions of a soccer goal and how you can work on percentages while taking penalty kicks. A penalty kick occurs in soccer when there is a foul committed by the defending team in their own penalty box. The ball is placed on the penalty spot located inside the penalty box, and this is approximately 12 yards away from the goal. Typically, goalkeepers only have between 0.2 and 0.3 seconds to react once a penalty kick is taken from the opposing player. A goalkeeper has to cover the length of a soccer goal, which is 8 yards wide from post to post. The penalty box area is located in front of the goal, and those dimensions for the penalty box are 18 yards long by 44 yards wide. Let's calculate the area of the penalty box. The area equation equals length times width. If you multiply 18 yards by 44 yards, that equals 792 yards, or 2,376 feet. Now that we know the area of the penalty box, let's take a look at the area of the soccer goal. The dimensions of a soccer goal is 24 feet long by 8 feet wide. If you multiply 24 feet by 8 feet wide, that equals 192 feet square. Now that you know the distances and area involved when taking a penalty kick, we want to see how many goals you can score out of 10 shots. Convert how many shots you score and turn it into a fraction, decimal, or percentage. We look forward to hearing how you test out your soccer skills.